Hi, I'm Anton. It's day 20 of the daily crypto installment program. Buy regularly, never get bored. Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. That's what I did again on January 30th, 2025. If anyone asks, don't you get bored buying the same coins every day? My answer is a resounding no, because I'm investing in my future. I'm already retired, and this is for my children's future at the very least. For those of you who are retired, please like this video so I can see how many people my age are watching it. Today we'll discuss NFTs and their relationship to Ethereum. NFT stands for non-fungible token, a form of digital certificate that serves as proof of ownership of digital works, such as images, music, or videos. Well, most NFTs are built on the Ethereum network. Because Ethereum can run smart contracts, NFTs can be programmed to have copyrights, royalties, and more. That's why Ethereum isn't just digital money, but the foundation of a thriving digital economy. NFTs can be used for artwork, tickets, certificates, and more. I haven't purchased an NFT yet, but understanding their function makes me even more convinced that Ethereum has a big future. See you in tomorrow's video. We'll talk more about XRP,